Good morning. It is Monday morning and welcome back to my channel. Again, this is the light channel, so I'm going to do a quick makeup and hair as quick as I possibly can. My husband is in bed. He's off today, and I'm not going to lie, it's very hard for me to get up when he's still in the bed. I'm going to put on the Glow from Beautique Labs. I'm going to avoid the nose. I forgot to put on the Hydrate, but that's okay. I put it on every other day. I keep it in there in the bathroom because that's where I wash my face at night, and so then I remember to put it on. Oh, it looks like my camera might die too. Great. Failing at life today. Okay. I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Oil Control. That. I'm going to use the Rimmel Stay Matte primer. Let's see my From when I cleaned the other day, I don't see my Soap and Glory primer. That's what I was planning on putting on, but I don't see it. Alright, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Matte HD Foundation. Couple pumps of that on my hand and tap it in. It's gonna drive me crazy. I want to know where that primer is. I don't have time to look for it today. I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. My camera's at 4%, so I may not get a real get ready with me today. Here's my Kodi Airspun. reason I should probably have a cord in here. I always forget to put a cord in here for charging. This takes the same charger as my phone. So I could charge it, but instead it's just gonna die on me. I'm gonna use the Oskar bronzer. I feel rushed. I'm going to use the Be Matte Blush from City Color. I'm going to use the Sonia Kashuk, and I'm going to use this shade. %. Get ready to die. I'll be back ready and show you my outfit of the day. Pretty sure it can die any second. Using my Smashbox. Using the middle shade on my cheekbones. And I'm going to go into the Wet n Wild, not a basic peach. Go into the lightest transition shade and set my base. Go with my fluffy brush. I'll go into the darkest transition shade and work that in the crease. Okay, it's still recording, but it says I have no battery. I'm a little confused by that. I think there's a little battery showing in yellow with a line across it. Not sure. It says it's still recording. I wonder if it is. That. I'm going to go in with this bluish color. Go a little funky. Greenish, bluish, whatever it is. And go on my lid. Not bad. Go in with the dark transition shade and bring that down here. And I'm going to go in with a little fluffy brush. Ooh. Just this little no-name brush into the shimmery one and hit my brow bones. Alright, Worth the Hype. Why those are clumping up today. Good. Alright, there we go. I'm going to put on the Balm and Honest. Nope, I lied. I'm going to go into the Physicians Formula in Coral Minerals. I go in with the Physique. Physique? No, Beautique. In Mocha. Alright, I'm going to put some curls in. Probably not going to do the outfit of the day right now because I'm running a little late and I would have to run down, get the battery, and come back up to the mirror. So I'll see what I can do. But I'm going to go ahead and shut this off because I'm not sure why it's still recording. But this is that look. Oh, Makeup Revolution. I'm just going to do my normal, throw some curls in, and head out the door. Alright, I hope everyone has a great Monday. I will see you soon. Hello! I am a terrible vlogger today. My battery was dead this morning, so I didn't do outfit of the day. And then work was crazy, and the little breaks I did take, I talked to my husband on the phone, so I didn't vlog then either. But it was a crazy Monday, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this video rolling so that I can get it up at a decent time tonight. It'll be a nice short one, hopefully. Let's see. Eating. What did I eat today? I had my normal breakfast every day. Eggs with bacon and cheese. And then for lunch, I had leftover chilies. I had the fajita mixture with cheese melted over it, which was delicious. And then for dinner, my husband's grilling, so I think we're having pork steaks and sausage. You know, pork steaks with a side of sausage. We're back to thinking sausage is a side dish. So that's what we're having for dinner tonight. And I think that's it. Angus, you got anything to say? You got anything to say, buddy? No? Angus was very confused because my husband cleaned up our backyard so that we could park it back here where we're supposed to. So I came in the back door, and I haven't come in the back door for a couple years. So when I walked in the door, he was like, "Who are you? Why'd you come in that way?" He was thrown for a loop. He's all still confused. I just got home. Anyway, that's it for my Monday. I hope everyone else had a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.